In my profession, I have the privilege of working with a team of visionary, creative people every day, bringing design and construction to life with passion and craft, in the pursuit of creating a legacy and redefining the way we live. Fast Brick Robotics is a company that has come a very long way, one that is set to cause a revolution in the construction industry, changing the way we build with bricks. In a world first, the Hadrian X offers an alternative solution to the market, introducing a new commercial ecosystem and creating a new reality to the course-by-course bricklaying technique. A world-leading robotics company with unique patented technology for fully automated end-to-end 3D printing construction. Perth-based Fast Brick Robotics is on an unwavering mission.
This technology will change a lot of things in the construction industry. We can investigate the real benefits of parallel manufacture now because of the high level of accuracy. We can better manage bill of materials and waste, and we can allow builders to investigate the possibility of cutting 6 or 8 weeks off the standard time of construction for a residential home. We have proven the components of the technology that we needed to prove to be sure that moving forward was safe, that we had de-risked, and that the future for the project was very, very bright.
The construction industry is an industry of custom and convention, but it's one primed for change. Industrial 3D printing is at a tipping point. It's ready to emerge from its niche status and become a viable alternative to long-established processes in an increasing number of applications. Because the Hadrian can print the complete structure from one position, course by course, using bricks and blocks, will mean that it will compete strongly with the stand-up panel and brick veneer type buildings that are traditionally used in some areas. The high output and short return on investment of these machines could see the Hadrian X transitioning into the global marketplace, with strong interest coming from countries all around the world. So how did we get here today? There's been painstaking testing and tweaking typical of any new invention. The prototype, Hadrian 105, has successfully proven that the technology delivers what it promises to do, demonstrating it can safely and accurately build a structure course by delivering bricks along a 30-metre boom.
So automated bricklaying really involves bringing a lot of different technologies together to solve a lot of different problems. The workflow with a traditional bricklayer is he turns up at a slab and sets out some strings and then some uprights and starts laying the bricks. He might place some door frames or window frames and they build the house wall by wall. We actually print the house layer by layer. So we do an entire course. Internal walls, external walls. Laying bricks is not really the problem. The problem is dealing with the layout, where all the walls go. Because we don't need any physical constraints for setup, we don't bother placing doors or window frames. We place all of those afterwards. So the house prints up from the ground, emerging layer by layer, almost as if it's growing out of the ground. While the boom can be moving around, the gripper stays fixed relative to the ground or moves exactly on a path relative to the ground, not relative to the boom. The compensation system consists of a laser tracker. The laser tracker looks at a little target which it measures the distance and angle to, and from that it works out the 3D position. The technology demonstrator has worked amazingly well to demonstrate that we can lay bricks accurate enough for rendering at the end of a 30-metre boom. And we're really at a nexus now where the technologies required to complete this task are available, and we've demonstrated that it can be done.
There are so many features and benefits of the Hadrian X. This machine will build render-ready structures using precision brick and block products and modern adhesives, allowing for a much faster and more accurate brick assembly. The 3D modelling and construction allows for very fast and low-cost buildings to be completed, providing builders with efficiencies not seen in the industry before. Structures built without traditional mortar improves the thermal and acoustic quality of the building and reduces the cost of heating and cooling. Precision blocks that are 1/2 metre in length and the equivalent of 15 standard house bricks will allow full structures to be built in only a couple of days. The accuracy of the completed structure allows for finishing trades to move in immediately with improved speed and efficiency. Everything can be produced off-site in parallel and simply fitted. What's remarkable is that there is no limitation on how high a structure can be built in a day, because there's no sagging or collapsing under weight, and no need for cavity insulation or brick ties.
The glue application nozzles simply squirt glue onto the brick. Because we use gravity to get the glue onto the brick, we can use a wide range of construction adhesives.
The walls are completed with routed channels for wiring and plumbing, and 3D modelling allows for an accurate bill of materials for estimating, producing the lowest possible waste and further reducing cost to the consumer. So what makes the Hadrian work? In another world first, the Fast Brick Robotics team are designing and developing some pretty clever software called the Architectural Designer, or TAD, which will drive the Hadrian X and allow it to achieve its significant performance advantages: the management of design, the procurement of materials, and the delivery of the structure. The future of construction is going to be redefined, because this technology will change the way houses are designed, made, bought and delivered. What we have seen is a team that has challenged the status quo by thinking differently and uniting innovation with science. The future is here today. Through sheer passion and persistence, Fast Brick Robotics have brought a powerful idea to life. This is a magnificent example of how creativity and genius make the impossible possible. With over 300 billion bricks laid around the world every year, the future certainly looks very bright for Fast Brick Robotics and the Hadrian X.